Jon Renau uses 3 different types of origins of hair: Indian, Chinese, and European. The difference between the 3 types is in the denier and texture of the hair. The denier of hair refers to the diameter or thickness of each hair strand. Chinese human hair has the largest denier of the 3 hair types used by Jon Renau. It tends to hang very smooth and straight. It's widely used in the industry due to its strength during processing. Indian human hair has a medium denier and has more texture and movement in the curl pattern. European human hair has the finest, thinnest denier of all 3 hair types. It lays smooth with slight movement throughout. It is the most difficult to source, therefore color and length availability may vary. The Jon Renau Smart Lace Human Hair Collection features a 50-50 blend of Chinese and Indian hair. This blend gives us the most versatility in color and length options.